yesterday this question I explained, but I hope some students understood it. But again, I'm telling. Okay. So question number 4 is a ribbon is 3 meter long. A ribbon is 3 meter long, and I need 8 pieces of ribbon, each 40 centimeter long. Okay. How many centimeters shorter is the ribbon than the length I need? Okay. कि एक रिबन है 3 meters long. Okay. And I need 8 pieces of ribbon. How many pieces I need? 8 pieces of ribbon, and each piece length is 40 centimeter. Okay, I want the length of each piece is 40 centimeter. So how many centimeters shorter is the ribbon than the length I need? तो कितना सेंटीमीटर का लेंथ कम होगा रिबन का? मुझे चाहिए उससे कितना रिबन का लेंथ कम होगा. We have to find out that. Okay, so our ribbon is 3 meter long. Yesterday only I told 3 meter equals to 300 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 मीटर मतलब 100 सेंटीमीटर होता है, तो 3 मीटर मतलब कितना होगा? 300 सेंटीमीटर. विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 100. Okay, 3 into 100 equals to 300 centimeter. So 3 meter equals to 300 centimeter. Now 8 piece of ribbon is 40 centimeter long. If one piece of ribbon is 40 centimeter, तो ऐसे हमें कितने पीस चाहिए? 8 पीस. करेक्ट. एक रिबन पीस का लेंथ कितना है? 40 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी वांट 8 पीसेस. ओके, तो 8 पीसेस का लेंथ कितना होगा? 40 into 8. Okay, one piece length is 40 centimeter. We want 8 pieces, so we'll multiply 40 by 8. तो हमें 8 pieces का लेंथ 50 चलेगा. करेक्ट ना? 8 into 0 0, 8 4s are 32. So 320 centimeter. Correct? 320 centimeter. Okay. तो 320 सेंटीमीटर. करेक्ट. ये होगा लेंथ 8 पीसेस का. बट वी आर हैविंग ओनली 300 सेंटीमीटर विथ अस. हमारे पास तो सिर्फ 300 सेंटीमीटर है, और 8 पीसेस का लेंथ कितना आया है? 320 सेंटीमीटर. तो हमारे पास कितना कम है? 320 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 300 सेंटीमीटर. The length of 8 ribbons is 320 centimeter, and we are having only 300 centimeter. So 0 minus 0 will do the subtraction. 320 minus 300, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 will come as it is. 3 minus 3, 0. So 20 centimeter shorter than the length needed. तो हमें कितना लेंथ कम गिरेगा? कितना लेंथ कम मिलेगा? जितना हमें चाहिए उससे 20 सेंटीमीटर कम होगा. Understood everyone? Now next question. If the number given in the table is divisible by the given divisor, put tick in the box, and if it is not divisible by the divisor, put cross in the box. If numbers are given in the next box, if it is divisible, put tick. If it is not divisible, put cross. Okay, ठीक है? Now our next box. See, here is our next box. Here numbers are given 15, 30, 34, 46, 55, 63, 70 and 84. Okay, these are the number, and our divisors are 2, 5, 10, 2, 5, 10. ये हमारे divisors है. Okay, so I am using the first number 15. 15 is divisible by 2. 15 2 से divisible है. What the divisibility test is saying? If your number is having at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then that number is divisible by 2. हमारा टेस्ट क्या कहता है डिविजिबिलिटी 2 का? कि अगर यूनिट प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 आए तो वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होता है. Now here 5 is there, so this number is divisible by 2. No, so put cross. Cross आएगा. Now take the second number. Take the second divisor 15. 5. Okay, take the second divisor 5. Number is 15, same number. Okay, what does divisibility test of 5 is saying? If the number is having at unit place 0 and 5, then that number is divisible by 5. अगर जिस number के unit place पर 0 और 5 आता है तो वो number क्या होता है? 5 से divisible होता है. तो इस number के unit place पे 5 है. So this number is divisible by 5. Yes, it is divisible by 5. So put tick. तो हमें क्या देना है? Tick देना है. Correct? Then next number. Take the third divisor 10. What the divisibility of 10 is saying? Divisibility of 10 का टेस्ट, वो टेस्ट क्या है? क्या बताता है हमें? If the number is having 0 at its unit place, then that number is divisible by 10. जिस नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 आता है तो ही वो नंबर 10 से डिविजिबल होता है. So this number is not having 0 at its unit place, means this number 15 is not divisible by 10. So put cross. So put cross. Okay, understood? Now next 34. Okay, now what does the divisibility test of 2 is saying? If the number is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its unit place, then that number is divisible by 2. So here 4 is there. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2. So put tick. Now 5 का टेस्ट क्या बताता है? यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 और 5 होना चाहिए. 0 भी नहीं है, 5 भी नहीं है. So this number is not divisible by 4. Sorry, this number is not divisible by 5. So put cross. Now take 10 divisor. ये 10 डिवाइजर का टेस्ट क्या बताता है? इफ द नंबर इज हैविंग 0 एट इट यूनिट प्लेस, देन दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 10. तो इसके यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 तो नहीं है, तो ये 10 से डिविजिबल होगा क्या? नो. सो पुट क्रॉस. वेरी सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल. ओके, नेक्स्ट 55. ओके, विल टेक द 2. We'll take 2. What the divisibility test of 2 is saying? If the number is having at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. तो इस नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 नहीं है, 2 नहीं है, 4 नहीं है, 6 नहीं है, 8 भी नहीं है. So this number is not divisible by 2. 55 is not divisible by 2. So put cross. Take divisor 5. Okay, what the divisibility test of 5 is saying? If the number is having 0 or 5 at unit place, then that number is divisible by 5. तो वो नंबर क्या होता है? 5 से डिविजिबल होता है. तो इसके यूनिट प्लेस पे 5 तो है, so this 55 is divisible by 5. Okay, this 55 is divisible by 5. So put tick. And the last divisor 10. What the divisibility test of 10 is saying? At unit place 0 is there, then that number is divisible by 10. So unit place 0 is not there, so this number is not again divisible by 10. So put cross. इतना ही याद रखना है. 2 का टेस्ट है तो उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या देखना है? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. अगर 5 का टेस्ट है, 5 डिवाइजर है, तो हमें देखना है उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 और 5. और 10 का टेस्ट है तो क्या देखना है? यूनिट प्लेस पे 0. ओके, इतना ही देखना है. एंड द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 70. ओके, सो फर्स्ट 2 at unit place 0 is there, means 70 is divisible by 2. So put tick. 5 at unit place 0 is there, put tick. Again 70 is divisible by 5. And the next 10 at unit place 0 is there, again this number is divisible by 10. Okay, so 70 is divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Okay, understood everyone? Very simple one. Number 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, number 2 is the only even prime number. Number 2 is the only even prime number. Now, what is mean by prime number? Prime number means the numbers, those numbers which are divisible by themselves and by one only. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by themselves or by 1. Now see the example 5. This number 5 is not coming in any table. 5 किसी table में आता है क्या? No. Okay, so it is divisible by themselves only. ये नंबर सिर्फ इससे ही डिवाइड होगा. 5 के टेबल में ही सिर्फ 5 आता है. 5 1 जा 5. Okay, so this number is divisible by itself only. Okay, and by 1. 1 5 जा 5. So this 5 is a prime number. 7 same. Okay, it is divisible by 7 only and it is divisible by 1 only. 7 भी किसी भी टेबल में नहीं आता. So 7 5, these are the prime numbers. What is mean by prime number? The numbers which are divisible by themselves and by 1 only. Okay, जो नंबर सिर्फ खुद से ही डिविजिबल होते हैं और सिर्फ 1 से डिविजिबल होते हैं उन्हें कहेंगे प्राइम नंबर्स. Now what is meant by composite numbers? Okay, the composite number means what? The numbers which have more than 2 factors. Numbers which have more than 2 factors. किसे कंपोजिट नंबर कहा जाता है? जो नंबर को 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं. If I take 14, okay, so if I take number 14, so it is the first is the first one is the first factor. जो मैंने कल बताया था 1 और 14 तो आने वाला ही है. एक तो 1 कॉमन होता है सब में और वो नंबर इटसेल्फ इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ इट्स. ओके, तो ये भी बताया था मैंने. 1 14 is coming in 2 times table. 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता, 4 के टेबल नहीं आता, 5 के टेबल में नहीं आता, 6 के टेबल में नहीं आता, but it is coming in the 7 times table. 7 2 is 14. Okay, it is coming in 14 times table. 14 1 is 14. So this number is having more than 2 factors. 1 2 7 4. 4 factors are there. Composite number means what? The numbers which have more than 2 factors. Composite number मतलब ऐसे नंबर जिनको 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं. So 14 is a composite number. 14 is a composite number क्योंकि इसे 2 से ज्यादा, okay, more than 2 factors are there. That's why this 14 is a composite number. It is a composite number. Okay, and what is meant by co-prime number? Co-prime number means have only one as a common factor. Co-prime factor मतलब क्या? कि जिसे सिर्फ 1 as a common factor, जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही common factor रहता है. Okay, co-prime numbers are the numbers which have only 1 as a common factor, जिनमें सिर्फ 1 ऐसा ही common factor आता है. See, 5 and 7. If I take these two numbers, so 1 and 5 will come because this is not coming in any table. So 5 is divisible by only 1 and that number itself. And 7 is also because it is a prime number. तो इसमें भी 1 और 7 ही आएगा. So here this one only a common factor. उसमें तो ये दोनों में ही सिर्फ common factor क्या है? 1 ही है. So these number are also known as a co-prime numbers. Okay, ऐसे नंबर जिसमें सिर्फ 1 ही क्या आएगा? एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर आएगा. ओके, बट नंबर 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. Number 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 नंबर ये प्राइम नंबर भी नहीं है और ये कंपोजिट नंबर भी नहीं है. नंबर 2 is only even prime number. याद रखना, नंबर 2 is the only even. I hope everyone know what is meant by even number and what is meant by odd number. Okay, 2 4 6 8, these are the even numbers. 1 3 5 7 9, these are the odd numbers. Okay, so 2 is the only even prime number, is the only even prime number. Again I am telling what is meant by prime number. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by themselves and by 1 only. प्राइम नंबर मतलब ऐसे नंबर जो खुद से और सिर्फ 1 से डिविजिबल होते हैं, उन्हें कहा जाता है प्राइम नंबर. कंपोजिट नंबर, कंपोजिट नंबर मींस द नंबर्स व्हिच आर हैविंग मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स. कंपोजिट नंबर में दो से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं, उन्हें कहा जाता है कंपोजिट नंबर. एंड थर्ड वन, को-प्राइम नंबर्स. को-प्राइम नंबर मीन्स द नंबर्स हैव ओनली वन एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर. को-प्राइम नंबर मतलब क्या, जिसमें वन यही एक कॉमन फैक्टर होता है. ओनली नंबर वन इज द कॉमन फैक्टर. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? So these are the new concepts which we are using in the problem set 34. Okay, write all the prime numbers. Write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Prime numbers means the numbers which are divisible by that number itself and by 1. ऐसा नंबर प्राइम नंबर मतलब ऐसे नंबर जो खुद से और सिर्फ 1 से डिविजिबल हो. Okay, so we have to tell the prime numbers between 1 to 20. 1 and 20 में से, इन 20 numbers में से हमें प्राइम नंबर निकालना है. Okay, so prime numbers between 1 to 20 are 2. 2 is the only even prime number. 3 is only divisible by 1 and 3. Again, 5 is divisible by only 1 and 5. Here 77 is written, but number is 7. 7 is again divisible by 1 and 7. Okay, तो ये 7 भी क्या हो गया है, प्राइम नंबर हो गया है. 11 is also a prime number. It is not coming in any table. Only 1 and 11. Okay, so this number is divisible by only 1 and 11. 13. So this number is again divisible by 1 and 13 only. And 17 and 19. These are the prime numbers between 1 and to 20. 1 to 20 में से ये prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 77, sorry, 7, not 77, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay, by mistakenly here 1 7 is type extra. Okay, so these are the prime numbers between 1 to 20. Now write all the composite number between 21 to 50. 21 to 50 में से composite number कितना है? What is meant by composite number? Composite number means the numbers which are having more than 2 factors. हमें ऐसे numbers बताना है जिसमें दो से ज्यादा factors हो. दो से ज्यादा factors हो. Okay, so see 21 बहुत सारे टेबल में आता है. फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज 1, सेकेंड फैक्टर 3 के टेबल में भी 21 आता है. 4 नहीं आता, 5 नहीं आता, 6 नहीं आता. 7 के टेबल में आता है 3 7s are 21. Okay, then we'll directly take 21. So it's more than 2 factors. So 21 is again a composite number. इसमें दो से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स आ गए, मतलब 21 क्या हो गया, कंपोजिट नंबर हो गया. 22 इज अगेन सेम 1, 2 से डिविजिबल है.
जेवलीस
नाही ग बाळा.
वन सेक स्टूडेंट. Okay. Okay, so 24 is also 22 is again a composite number because it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2 because at the unit place 2 is there. 11 time table is there. 11 to the 22. 22 के टेबल में भी ये आता है. So it is more than 2 factors are there. So this is again a composite number. तो ऐसे ये सारे जो numbers है, it is having more than 2 factors. That's why these numbers are the composite number. 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 49 and 50. These are the composites number बिटवीन 21 to 50, ये 21 to 50 के बीच वाले सारे कंपोजिट नंबर्स है. आई होप दिस कंपोजिट नंबर्स concept is clear to you. Okay, now next question. Circle the prime numbers in the list given below. Now here list is given of the prime numbers, we have to circle. Now 22 is the composite number because it is having more than two factors. इसे दो से ज्यादा फैक्टर है, 1 2 11 22, so this is a composite number, so prime number नहीं आएगा. We have to circle the prime number. Now 37, it is not coming in any table, only 1 and 37 itself have only two factors are there. Okay, जो नंबर सिर्फ 1 and 30 अपने खुद से divisible by themselves only, okay, then that numbers are called as prime numbers. Prime number का definition क्या है? The numbers which are divisible by themselves and by one only are called as prime numbers. Okay, ऐसा ही है ना definition prime number का. तो 37 किसी भी टेबल में नहीं आता. It is divisible by one and itself only. Okay, so that's why 37 is the prime number. Again 43, it is not coming in any table, it is divisible by one and itself only. 43. 48 is coming having more than two factors. One तो आता है at the unit place, 8 is there, so it is divisible by 2 also. Correct, no? It is divisible by 3 also. What the divisibility test of 3 is saying? If you add the number, okay, 4 and 8, and the sum is divisible by 2, sorry, the sum is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 का टेस्ट क्या कहता है? डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ 3. व्हाट इट इज सेइंग टू अस? अगर आप नंबर के डिजिट्स को ऐड करते हो और ऐड करने के बाद जो सम मिलेगा, सम मतलब जो आंसर मिलेगा एडिशन का, वो आंसर अगर 3 से डिविजिबल है तो दिया गया नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल होगा. सो 4 + 8 is 12. करेक्ट? तो ये आएगा 3 के टेबल में, आएगा ना. 3 4s are 12, so means 48 is also divisible by 3. Correct, no? 48 is also divisible by 3. That's why 48 is a composite number. It is having more than two factors. Again 53 is divisible only 1 and 53 itself, so this is a prime number. 59, it's a prime number. 79 is a prime number. 97, again it is a prime number. Okay, these are the prime numbers. Okay, so many numbers are given over here, we have to find out only the prime numbers. Okay, now fourth question, which of the prime number are even numbers? Now only I told you 2 is the only even prime number. इन्होंने पूछा है कि इवन प्राइम नंबर कौन सा है, तो 2 एक ही ऐसा प्राइम नंबर है जो इवन भी है. ओके, 2 इज द ओनली प्राइम नंबर विच इज इवन. 2 ये फिलअप में भी आ सकता है. विच नंबर इज द इवन प्राइम नंबर? ओके, सो 2 इज द इवन प्राइम नंबर. ओके,